As the Edo State House of Assembly resumed plenary on Monday, May 26, 2025, the Speaker of the House, Right Honorable Blessing Agbubako, announced new chairmans and members them for different committees. This one follow as them been dissolved the old committee after the Speaker waka comot from PDP go APC.
Distinguished members, sometime last week or last 2 weeks, the House committee was dissolved, and today we are going to announce the committees. So please listen, get your pen and paper and note down the committee you are heading and the one you remember. Names of standing committees, chairman and members. Selection committee, Right Blessing Sheriff Abela. Speaker is the chairman of that committee. Other members, that's selection committee. Other members are Right Honorable Atsu Memorial, and Honorable J.A. Ramalu, the Southwest member, Honorable H. Lecky, for the Southwest member, Honorable A.I. Ade, Eastern Northeast member. That is for the special committee. Tenders Board Committee, Right Honorable E.O. Atsu, Chairman, Right Honorable Yakini Ijayi, member. 3, Honorable A. Akopia, Esa West member. Honorable Arko Dosa, Red West member. Honorable J. A. Ibama, Eastern West member. That is for the Tenders Board Committee. Rules and Business and Government House. Honorable J. A. Ibama, Eastern West chairman. Honorable E.I. Ade, Eastern Northeast 1 member. Honorable D.O. Okwawe, Akoko Edo 2 member. Honorable N.F. Asonsere Ubaka member. Right Honorable Yakini Idaye Akoko Edo 1 member. That is for the Rules, Business and Government House. House Service Committee, Honorable A. Akokia, A. Sakon West chairman. Honorable D.O. Okwawe Akoko Edo 2 member. Honorable N.F. Asonsere Ubaka member. Honorable E.I. Ade, Eastern Northeast member. Honorable E.A. Okaka, Oma East member. That is for the House Service Committee. Public Petition. Honorable C.I.I. Obawinia of Young Northeast 1 chairman. Honorable O.A.E. Zamiri of Young Northeast 2 member. Honorable F.U. of Mosiko Oregon East member. Honorable S.E. Adedo of Ghana Southwest member. Honorable O.E. Negbebo Igwebe member. That is for the public petition. Public accounts. Honorable O.A.E. Uzamiri of Ghana Northeast 2 chairman. That's public accounts. Honorable S.E. Honorable S. Ayedo of Ghana Southwest member. Honorable N.I. Osawaru Ego member. Honorable K.O. Ugabi Esaka East member. Honorable O.E. Inegbebo Igwebe member. That is for the public accounts. Agriculture and Food Security. Honorable K. Usamu Mode chairman. Honorable H.M. Lekki, Esako West 1, member. Honorable S.F. Ekberemode, Esa Central, member. Honorable A. Oshoma, Esako Central, member. Honorable C.I. Akubawea of Ghana East 1, member. That is for agriculture and food security. Our commission budget and project monitoring. Honorable S.F. Ekberemode, Esa Central, Chairman. Honorable K.O. Ugabi, Esako East, member. Honorable S. Adedo of that Southwest, member. Honorable K. C. Osamui, Mode, member. Honorable J. A. Ibamawu, Esa West, member. Water Resources and Energy. Honorable S.O. Ujezeli, Esa Southeast, chairman. Honorable R.O. Edosa, Oredo West, member. Honorable S.F. Ekberemode, Esa Central, member. Honorable E.O. Atu, Oredo East, member. Honorable Akokia, Esako West, member. That's for the Water Resources and Energy. Commerce and Industry. Honorable H.M. Lekki, Esako West 1, chairman. Honorable B.A. Yamu, Oriomo South, member. Honorable F.U. Omosibo, Oredo East, member. Honorable A. Oshoma, Esako Central, member. Honorable S.O. Ojizele, Esa Southeast, member. That is for the Commerce and Industry. Education Committee. Right Honorable Yakini Idai, Akoko Edowa, Chairman. Right Honorable M.O. Edeko, Esa North East, member. Right Honorable D.O. Okukwogwe, Akoko Edo, member. Honorable S.O. Ojizele, Esa Southeast, member. Honorable E.I. Ade, Esa North East, member. Environment and Sustainability. Honorable E.A. Okaka, Onwa East, chairman. Honorable N.F. Asonsere, Igbobaoka, member. Honorable N.I. Osawaru, member. Honorable C.I. Ikobawea, Okia North East 1, member. Honorable K. Osamui, Mode, member. Judiciary, Human Rights and Legal Matters. Right Honorable Maria Okozele Deco, Esa North East chairman. Honorable C.I. Agboria of North East 1, member. Honorable A. Oshoma, Esako Central, member. Honorable O.E. Nebebo Igwe, member. Honorable E.I. Ade, Esa North East 1, member. Health. Honorable R.O. Edosa, Oredo West, chairman. Honorable H.M. Lekki, Esako West 1, member. Honorable N.I. Osawaru Ego, member. Honorable A.E. Uzabere of North East, member. Honorable Y.O. Yaye, Akoko Edo 1, member. Information, youth, sports, and material affairs. Honorable D.O. Okowe, Akoko Edo 2, chairman. Honorable K.O. Ugabi, Esako East, member. Honorable O.E. Inekwebo, member. Honorable J.A. Ibamawu, Esa West, member. Honorable R.O. Dosa, member. Local government and chieftaincy affairs. Honorable E.I. Ade, Esa North East, chairman. Honorable S. Aredo of that Southwest, member. Honorable K.C. Usaoni Mode, member. Honorable J.A. Ibamawu, Esa Southeast, member. Honorable F.U. Omosibo, member.
Eastern West or Eastern Southeast?
For who?
Member.
Local government, community and chieftaincy affairs. Honorable E.I. Ade, Esa North East 1, chairman. Honorable S. Aredo of Honorable J.A. Ibamawo, Eastern South.
Eastern North.
Eastern North.
West. Eastern West.
Yes.
East and West.
Okay, yes, Eastern West. Eastern Southwest. East here. Eastern West. Eastern West member. Honorable F.U. Omosigo member. Please. Women Affairs, Gender Issues and Social Development. Honorable Natasha Osa Osawaru, Chairman. Right Honorable M.O. Edeko, Eastern Northeast 1 member. Honorable S.O. Ojizele, Eastern Southeast member. Honorable A. Akipia, Eastern West 2 member. Honorable H.M. Lekki, Eastern West 1 member. Works and Public Utility. Honorable B.A. Iyamu, Orion South Chairman. Right Honorable E.O. Atu, Orion East member. Honorable O.A.E. Uzomere, Ogan North East 2 member. Honorable S.F. Egbebole, Eastern Central member. Honorable V.O. Owe, Okwebe 2 member. Ethics and Privilege. Honorable O.E. Inebebo, Okwebe, Chairman. Honorable E.A. Okaka, Oman East member. Honorable A. Akubia, Esako West 2 member. Honorable A. Oshola, Esako Central member. Honorable B.A. Yanu, Orion South member. That's for the ethics and privilege. Fiscal planning, urban and regional planning. Honorable K.O. Gabi, Esako East chairman. That's Honorable M.O. Edeko, Esako North East 2 member. Honorable O.A.E. Uzamere, Ogan North East 2 member. Honorable Yakini Igaye, Okwebe 1 member. Honorable E.A. Okaka, Owan East member. Arts, Culture and Tourism. Honorable F.U. of Mosigo, Okwebe East chairman. Honorable N.I. Osawaru, member. Honorable N.F. Asonseri, Ubaka member. Honorable S.F. Ebrevole, Eastern Central member. Honorable A. Oshola, Esako Central member. Security and Public Safety. Honorable A. Oshaman, Esako Central chairman. Honorable C.I. Aiko Bawinia, Ogan North East 1 member. Honorable B.A. Iyamu, Orion 2 member. Honorable H.M. Lekki, Esa North East 2 member. As for the security and public safety.
One ogbonge matter wey dey reason na the plan to cancel the Edo State Gaming Law 2020 and new motion for fresh law wey go set up Edo State Lottery, Edo State Lottery Regulatory Commission and Edo State Lottery Trust Fund. The bill passed second reading with strong support from Majority Leader Honorable Jonathan Ibamawo, Minority Leader Honorable Charity Aigobawenya and other members dem.
Mr. Speaker, we have before us second bill requesting for an amendment to the Edo State Gaming Law 2020. Mr. Speaker, the Gaming Law 2020 is a law that regulates all the gaming activities, online sports betting in Edo State. But however, Mr. Speaker, this law in question, though as good as it was, you have a lot of drawbacks in the law. So that is what the intention is in this bill now, to amend all those observed lacuna. Mr. Speaker, the law before us, before now, the Edo State Gaming Law 2020, made provision that the gaming activity was placed under the Internal Revenue Service. And you know that the work for the Internal Revenue Service is so wide, and they are not able to properly coordinate the activities of gaming in this state. Mr. Speaker, we watch football, for instance, for our soccer fans. You see a lot of people in stadium in the UK. Many of them are not just there for fun. Some of them are there because they are putting their money into betting have more control, more coordination for the gaming activities that happen in this very state. It is the intention of this bill, Mr. Speaker, and my dear colleagues, to see that we have something like a regulatory commission, which was not provided for before in the earlier law. Also to be covered everything like a governing board that superintends over the activity of the earlier regulatory commission. And there's also going to be what we also have like a trust fund, because the trust fund is to retain some money for the development of our state. Mr. Speaker, it is very important and vital. We all need money, we need development. Going further, Mr. Speaker, if this bill is passed, it's going to ensure that there is an employment of our people. People will be taken into this commission, people will be taken into this commission, and there will be regulatory activities to coordinate the activities of gaming in this very state. So, Mr. Speaker, my dear colleagues, I want us to humbly join me and humbly request that you all join me to give this executive bill positive outlook with a view to passing it so that the state government's intention be achieved. So I thank you very much.
Mr. Speaker, it's with excitement that I stood up this morning to, while supporting the motion for the second reading, to adopt the argument as canvassed by the majority leader herein, and to state clearly that we undermine seriously the economic, social, and even political significance of lottery. It is a good man that is waiting to be properly explored. Mr. Speaker, our New Yorker will confirm that some of the most beautiful city in America is Las Vegas. That city was built on lottery, gaming, and ancillary matters. Hence, it's popular saying that what happened in Las Vegas stay there. I'm very sure that if properly harnessed, this law is capable of turning Benin City to another Las Vegas, where people come and try their luck. Whereas it is capable of making billionaires overnight. We do not sympathize with those that will become impoverished as a result. But life is a game. And if life is a game, the opportunity to play it must be offered, and the rules must properly be set. And these rules to be played by the society must be followed strictly. After all, don't they say that there is honor among thieves? So, to that extent, Mr. Speaker, I want to say that if we are going to go into betting and lottery, it must be a function of law, properly regulated. But what is our own in the matter, sir? Our own is to generate income for the state. And so, there must be a way to take for the state what is accruing to the state. Was it not said that let's give to Caesar what belongs to Caesar? So, Mr. Speaker, as I'm looking at this bill, I'm excited because the obvious lacuna that has stopped the optimization of the gains of lottery, betting, and ancillary matters is the lack of proper coordination nothing works without specialization, Mr. Speaker. It is the specialization that gives efficiency and effectiveness to any endeavor. And that is what the repeal of the old law seeks to do. And the passage of this law will now mean you have a commission that is specialized in the area of gaming, lottery, and betting. So, policy formulation by way of the committee, that is the commission and members, will become seamless. Mr. Speaker, it will become seamless. Then, monetary effectiveness and even blockade of leakages in financial generation of this function will be effectively marshaled. The issue of scammers will also be limited because I can see that there is a requirement for licenses, so it is not an all-commerce game. And before you get licenses, there are conditions that you must meet. So, even as a gambler, you are sure your money is secured. So, if you are going to lose, you lose legally. If you are going to win, you win legally. You see, it is a function of opening your eyes to choose your poison. So, the man must be sure that this route I'm following, this is the route that guides it. This is the end result. There is assurances that you must get what you give. So, the area of licenses is the one that interests me most. I'm excited that the operators are not just doing what they like, but they are doing it in consonance with the gaming law, so that if there's any infraction, there is a way the man who feel aggrieved will get recompense. After all, who be used will be remedial. So, Mr. Speaker, very distinguished colleagues, I have no hesitation in supporting the passage of this bill. I support with all my heart, even having the norm of my constituents, to even urge fellow members to support the passage of this bill. More importantly, because when you criminalize it, people run to it. When you legalize it, it is embraced by only those that want to do it. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Like Kensington you now have I can tell you that even in my community, even women, they play like when they know that the market day is in 3 days time, they play if they want to buy career. So, Baba Jabba also created employment to so many youths. You see them in their kiosks, their red and their shades. People coming to patronize them. So I think be aware from the government. This is how
Mr. Speaker, the way the minority leader and even the man saddled with the responsibility of the red chair has spoken on this issue, I have no doubt in my mind that they are well acquainted with And I also want to confirm that in the deepest of my mind, that Mr. Speaker has been very well involved in the business. Mr. Speaker, I have always said that in an emerging economy of art, where things are changing by leaps and bounds, certain things are bound to happen, which of course we are witnessing today. Mr. Speaker, in August 2020, we passed this bill into law. By the grace of God, today it's being brought back to the House of Assembly because the responsibility that was saddled on the Board of Internal Revenue was becoming enormous. And I think that is what they could not do properly. Hence, the formation of a commission called the Lottery Commission has become very important, which of course is the main reason why this bill is brought, sorry, this PO amendment is brought for us. Mr. Speaker, just like the minority leader has said, this bill, when passed into law, will solve the issues of not being paid by prize winners. Because once the trust fund is set up, definitely resources will be put together, paid into trust fund, so that assurances will be there that those who have won prizes will be settled. Mr. Speaker, this era, at the expiration of the era of industrialization, which took place in the mid-18th and 19th century, mid-18th and late 18th century, it became paramount that other ways of doing things, moving the economy, has to come into being. That brought about the era of service rendering, otherwise in economics called the era of servicization. Other ways of doing things, doing business, doing things came into being. Instead of assembling heavy-duty machines to do other works, making big profit in business, servicization came into being. Mr. Speaker, this is also part of the servicization procedure, that people can now, not without having interfacing with machine, people can now work and earn living. Mr. Speaker, I am of the opinion, having been supported by my constituents, that this bill, when passing into law, this regulatory commission will do better than what the Board of Internal Revenue board is doing today. Hence, perfection will be brought into the life of this organization. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Mr. Speaker, I'd like to support or to speak in favor of the repeal of the law for the Edo State Gaming Law 2020. Mr. Speaker, two things obvious that it will do for us. One is that it will boost the economy of our state. Boosting the economy of our state in the sense that to attract foreign investors who are interested in games. It will provide job opportunities for people, job opportunity for licensors. People are able to go into the business of gaming. Small, medium-scale businesses can also enjoy, benefits from this gaming business. I'm sure people can sell. People can sell tickets to boost our economy. Two, and most importantly, revenue generation in our state. The entire generated revenue of Edo State can be given a boost through this particular bill. Internally generated revenue provides monetary funds for sponsoring state and public projects. Can also be used for what we call social welfare, poverty alleviation.
and so on and so forth. Therefore, Mr. Speaker, I want to support and also urge my fellow members to support the repeal of this bill. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
It's great employment to boost the economy of those states. So that is our question, agreement, that this bill for a law to repeal the Edo State Gaming Law in 20 and enact the law to provide for the Edo State Lottery, establishment of the Edo State Lottery Regulatory Commission and the Edo State Lottery Trust. For all that we have, please, Mr. Speaker, must be silent. And other matters connected herewith. Should scale truth the company, please say aye. Aye. Those against say nay. Ayes have it.
After the talk, Speaker Abibaku carried the bill give committees on sport, security, finance and commerce and industry. Say make them come back with reports when plenary resume again for June 16.
By the committee on sports and security. Please report back to the House in 2 weeks.
Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. Ohifemi Onosimwa, TMC News.